There is a implant conference going to be held in Hyderabad from 25th of this month, that is July to 27th. And it is the conference known as Third International Congress of Oral Implantology for the first time in South India. This implant means many people, the oral implants are dental implants. It is a fixed type of a restoration where patient lost one or more number of teeth or all the teeth. When patient has no teeth in the mouth, so by placing a dental implant, we can restore total function. When I use the word function, he can eat normally where a patient eating normally with his natural teeth. And here the important thing because there is quite a few countries, that is around 25 countries are participating in this, and delegates, close to 150 delegates from foreign delegates are attending, and 17 international renowned speakers from all over the globe, Germany, Switzerland, Japan, France, America, and other European countries, even from Korea and Thailand also, they are also coming and participating and giving their talk. Its importance is this is being held first time in Andhra Pradesh or in the South India, and we are proud to say that our Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is the chief guest. He has accepted our invitation to preside over the function, and our Health Minister from Telangana is Dr. Rajaya. He is presiding over and is a guest of honor. And there are some legends in implantology from the India, from outside. The president of the European Implantology Association also is attending this and presenting a paper. Same way with the Dr. F.D. Mirza, who is the first dental doctor to place an implant. He is also attending and giving his talk and his experience last 35 to 40 years in placing an implant. Also here, the implants are in Andhra Pradesh or in Hyderabad placed first time way back in 1990 at IPS conference, that is Indian Prosthodontic Society conference. It was held at Hyderabad, and the first implant was placed in Apollo Hospital by Dr. Mirza, where I got opportunity to assist him. And it is still today the patient is under observation and is very successful. The other things here I would like to say, trade. The various kind of state, those are manufacturing implants are arriving from various other countries, also from India. But as you know well that there is no implant manufacturing company in India. All the implants are from Israel and Germany and America. They are all coming. And the local practitioners from AP, from all other parts of the country also attending this conference.